So cooks, I got a brand new stand mixer in the house. It is a very much anticipated mixer. We've all been waiting for us, and now we're going to take our first look. This is the Ooni Halo Pro spiral stand mixer. We've looked at spiral mixers before. Here's the Famag, right? Here is the Ooni Halo Pro. We're going to get this baby out of the box today. We're going to get our very first look at it. So welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. Okay, cooks. So we've looked at our, this is the Famag, like a coffee mug. I have called it the Famag. I've called it the Famag. But I officially talked to Pleasant Hill Grain, and they told me it's Famag. Famag. Can I call it the Famage?
I don't know. We gave them a lot of money. They should know.
I gave them enough money. I should be able to call it the Famage.
Call it whatever you want.
So this is a spiral stand mixer. This is my very first spiral stand mixer. Eric got me this for Christmas years ago. It's an amazing mixer. It's Italian. It's made in Italy. And it has a little Italian flag here. It's a huge mixer. If you don't know about spiral mixers, what they do is instead of having the planetary head that goes around, they have a spiral. And the dough comes around, the spiral stays in one spot and the dough comes around and eventually becomes a pumpkin. And what's great about these is it doesn't heat your dough up. So it doesn't mess with your yeast. It doesn't get you in a situation where it's going to overrise. It's going to keep your dough in a nice, good temperature. This is a huge baby, right? This thing can do anywhere. This is the IM8S. So it can do anywhere from 3.6 to 17.6 pounds. So to really get this mixer going, you're going to need like 6 pounds of dough to really get it going. If you want to make a single 2-pound loaf, this is really not the way to go with one of these. Throw it in your planetary and have a good old time, right? So these spiral mixers have been out for years. They use them a lot in commercial settings. They use them a lot in pizza to make really high-end fancy pizza, right? And they usually come really huge, right? They make them floor models, so you can make tons of pizza dough at a time. This one here is really expensive. I think it's about $1,800 nowadays. And
It's heavy.
it's heavy. You put it on this and it stays on this, right? This thing is like 70 pounds. You can't really move it around. I love this thing. It's absolutely amazing. If you have the budget, go Famage, right? Famage.
Famag.
Famag. Famage. So everybody knows about the Ooni pizza ovens. They came out several years ago. They went crazy. Everybody loves them. You can get one that does gas, does wood, or a combo. And they're amazing. And it was only a matter of time that Ooni would come out with some sort of stand mixer, because the core of your pizza is the dough, right? And everybody knows that they have struggled with a lot of times with planetary mixers getting really good dough out of it. So there was only a matter of time until they come out with their mixer, and they've come out with a spiral. This is the brand new Ooni Halo Pro. It's just new on the market. Must anticipate it because it came out as I don't know if it was a Kickstarter, but they brought it out like 6 months ago. You know, get on the list so you can get the first one. We have one right here in the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. Okay, kids, this is our first look at the Ooni Halo Pro spiral mixer. So this is significantly less expensive. It's about half the price of the Famage.
It also does half the amount.
Yeah.
And it's half the weight.
Yeah.
How
Can I be a geek?
How you?
Can I be a geek? Can I be a geek?
How are you geeking? You haven't seen it yet.
Doesn't matter. I geek at the box.
Ooh!
Can I be a geek? Here you go. Here's your mixer. Thanks for attending. Ooh, it comes in a bag. Ooh, it comes in a box. Ooh.
They better put in something.
I can't get it out.
Well, it's gonna be pretty heavy. So are you needing booze appliance removal service?
I need something. I need help, Boo. I need Boo's technical support.
All right, boo.
Ooh, you're bringing it up. You're bringing it upside down, Boo.
How do you know it's upside down?
Because the bottom is wider than the top.
Huh?
It's upside down.
Oh, I knew that. Oh!
Yeah, that thing is heavy.
Due to an exceptional amount of weight still left in here, we have to do further investigation. We have pouring shield. Something else. Something else. Ooh, this is hefty. Might be a beater. And owner's manual.
Sometimes you buy something with good intentions, but it's easier to buy it than it is to actually use it.
Certain towns come to mind, like Pittsburgh, too. Good intention.
Okay, so here's the Ooni, the base.
It's all about the base. The base, no trouble.
It's all about the base, No trouble. Okay, so I got the gray one, obviously. See?
Come on.
The anticipation is killing me! Woohoo! There it is, folks.
He weighs a lot, but he's like small.
There's a lot of plastic on here.
He's heavy, but he's small.
He's small, the mighty.
It's kind of like that GE mixer of yours. It's not huge, but it weighs a lot.
Is there one on here?
Well,
This is
no, the entire side face of me has one. Yay! Now,
Why do they have
is
that?
that plastic or metal?
I don't know.
Well, first of all, is it a 3-prong plug or 2-prong? That'll tell you.
I don't know. Here is our bowl.
Yay!
I don't know how to lift the head up.
You might not have to. Just put the bowl in there.
It's a head lift. Here's the pouring shield.
Yeah.
Here's the whisk.
Yay!
Cord. 3-cord. 3-prong.
Okay, so it's probably metal involved.
Paddle for making a cake.
That's a laughing paddle.
Here's your beater bar. And here is your spiral dough hook.
The star of the show.
They're all stainless steel. Okay, so if you get an Ooni Halo, this is what you will be going through when you unbox it, so it's not glamorous. So there's two little switches right here. You can use one or the other. You just hit it and it opens up your tilt head. Your bowl is going to be a stationary bowl. I'm just going to go ahead and put it here and lock it in. So this is our spiral dough hook, and it goes in this one here. It's pretty heavy. And it twists on just like a planetary would. This is a breaker bar, and this keeps your dough where it's supposed to be going. It breaks up the dough when it's going into the hook. So we're going to put your breaker bar on here. The breaker bar on the Famag is permanent. You don't take the breaker bar off. You just have to wipe it down. But that's how that goes. And we're going to lower the tilt head. Okay, we're going to go ahead and turn the mixer on. And there is a light in there. That's pretty cool. It has a timer on here too.
And the bowl does spin.
Oh, it does spin slightly. I guess it spins on the Famag too. And it just tells you what percent you're on in terms of the speed. 30%, 40%, 50%, all the way up to 100% speed. There's a little timer on here. Cool. And so we're going to go ahead and lift the head. So for the paddle, so the Famag is just a dough machine. It doesn't do cookies and stuff. Because I'm always wondering, how are these really going to perform making cookies? They're going to perform similar to maybe like the Sunbeam performs. I don't know. But we'll go ahead and put a paddle on here. Oh. So I'm thinking there's going to be some portion that doesn't incorporate the same as a planetary. Because the planetary goes across here, right? This is going around the side. So what happens to the stuff, this side on this stuff doesn't get mixed in with that stuff?
It's a mixer, but it just has to incorporate. Now your whisk might be interesting.
And then the whisk is like a two-parter. So you pop the whisk in here and you just do the same thing like on the breaker bar. You have to turn this screw thing to hold it into place. That goes down there. Interesting. Interesting. So, we got some fun coming up here. We're going to make some dough. We're going to make a cake, maybe. And then we're going to do a battle between the Ooni and the Famag. Famag. Stay tuned, cooks. We got a Ooni Halo Pro in the house. Thanks for joining me.